Anyway, I must fly. I promised the rooster I'd help him count his chickens.
As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the bidding and the crowing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brew. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby butts golden brown with their beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walk around in a light. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little flecks of pain will seem worth love. I'll do what any other mother would to get my dad's decked house and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother to be?
She'd be better if the father who was better being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd be better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad when the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibilities.
How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all of my prenatal hatching classes from a slow-satisfied stork. She's in about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Ah, well, they say good things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do put herself ourselves through it. Every spring it's exactly the same.
But just think of all the lovely rewards, all those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed.
Waking you up at all hours,
Getting into deep water.
attracting unwanted admirers.
Like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it?
Cause when you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble, and watch their maiden voyage out from the bank.
Like champagne, once you see them popping.
Accompanied by mothers sobbing, relief,
There's human nature, nobody's time. Here's a joke.
oh, prepare yourself, Ida!
It's the joy of motherhood. Those little birds that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in stone. Got those ducks decked out and living in
Oh, Ida, they're the loveliest little ducklings I've ever seen. They're the image of their father.
Thanks. Well, speaking of Daddy, where would you be at during trying to find him for me? Probably making waves down the waterful watering hole.
Auntie Mormor is off now. See you later.
Auntie Laura, what a weird name. Big ball it is. Yeah, How's getting scrambled inside that egg?
Now, don't you go thinking this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the side of the lake, right into the churchyard, though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Wait, wait, wait. There are one or two nest rules before you have luck. Number 1, no wet web feeds in the nest. Number 2, you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton in between meals. Number wait, you're not all here.
Hey guys, it's going to be another Beverly Cat.
Oh, quack, and it's the big one.
Excellent.
How come he got such a big head?
Yeah, you got fancy recce set around you size ostrich.
It's not fair, Mama.
It's not fair, Mama. No, Mom, it's not fair.
There's nothing I can do.
Hi kids, I'm your dad.
Take a good look at him, because you probably won't see him that often. Well, true to form, you missed it. Pitter patter, petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Right, who's up for a swim? What's wrong, Ivor? What, sitting taking time to view?
There's still one to hatch, don't look. You're a big one.
Yes. Let me see that egg again. That's definitely a turkey's egg. You'll never get it to go in the water. Just leave it. Stop! Come and teach you once how to swim.
Will you teach us to swim properly? We might as well sit for a bit longer. Sat for so long, a few days more won't make any difference.
You say this. Come on, let's run to the lake for cute. Go!
We've been keeping eggshells warm on the wall. They have always been more beautiful. one's different. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg would fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grain of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different. Brothers and sisters there, and you're if I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No. How about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Well, thank goodness I knew you were one of mine. Now, your father's taking the others up for their first swimming lesson, so how about you and me doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. It's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Good gracious, no. That's further than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting, and I didn't mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do, and you should take to it like a duck. You should take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy feather down below each thigh. Apropos, propeller you keep, that's a thing like the catfish just keep, that's a thing like the catfish must be a thing.
It's sort of an orange preserve, often found in toast.
Hey, what's marmalade?
Oh my. Ida, look towards me. Move slowly towards me and no sudden movements. very nice.
This is your son, dear.
What? I've created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal, run-up-the-mill conduct. That's all.
That's all. Reputation either.
Yes, I know, dear. And I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I tell you, Ida, he's a turkey.
He is not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce!
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want you all to get spruced up. It is time to meet the other members of the junkyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now the children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family like this isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get to know he's a special son. Come along now, all of you, follow me. Stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. Beware of the cat.
Look at him. Nice and bendy and his knees are knobbed. Look at him. Lazy or rude. He's the rabbit waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's it matter? Why do I make you all laugh and talk? Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you scared them off.
Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. That is true, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him a chop.
We presented to her grace the most distinguished duck on the lake of Goggle. She was once paired with a mandarin and has a red band of cloth around her leg. This is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by
Beatrix Potter now, is he?
Well, I wish the others wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out alright as he gets older.
Well, the others are a triumph, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year.
I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly.
He was a fine duck, the Mandarin, but alas, it became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life goes on. Now, I understand Maureen saw the children from the farmhouse. They're in French bread into the water.
Oh, you have to try it. It's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
Oh yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Come on, children, try this.
Make way for the red-banded duck.
Honk!
Ida, you're really going to have to do something about that honk.
Oh, look! Croissants!
Get back, you're too big for your eating already.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. I wish they would stop picking on me. If they knew just how dearly I would love to call, but it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why does being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't hateful. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget. I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. When you know it's you, somehow your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have my sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't spiteful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different. I cannot believe you got caught in a pet riot.
Hello, Ducky.
Who are you? We're your friends. I don't have any friends. Everybody hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they are too cruel.
We think you look delicious. What did she say?
She said, poultry can be so delicious.
Look at them guzzling all that bread. It's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
Do you mean to say that they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb. Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in. On us. You really mean it? You are a friend?
Of course we are now. Just follow us.
I better tell my think I should.
Listen, we won't be gone for long. What harm can it do? And you're hungry, aren't you?
I am.
Well, next to you.
Okay, if you're sure.
We're quite sure.
It's I that I feel sorry for. How she managed to lay the egg, I'll never know.
Makes my eyes water just thinking about it.
I wouldn't use it to stuff a duvet with.
Talking of stuffing, don't you'll be so full of yourself come Thanksgiving. Look, there is nothing wrong with my son. He just looks a bit different, that's all. I think that makes him someone rather special.
Well said, Albert. I agree. I think I agree. Everyone agrees. I think an apology is in order for me too.
What's he on?
I thought it was with you.
He was, just a moment ago.
Well, if he's got any sense, he'll go and put his bag over his head.
Drake, that is enough.
Well, Ida, he's probably gone back to the lake. You know how he loves swimming.
Not without telling me he wouldn't. Where has he gone?
Oh, for goodness sake. Marie and Henrietta, you check round the hen house. We'll go back to the lake and take ducklings.
And I'll coordinate operations from the brainstorm.
Welcome to the kitty cat snack shack.
That's food for famished felines. Now, let me see. Duck à l'orange, duck with cherries. Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
We're having you for lunch.
Well, I know that, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, she'll whip up something. A surprise.
You know, my mother must have been thinking about somebody else. She told me to beware of the cats.
Mothers, they're all the same.
For some reason, they seem to think it's past their job description to stop us from having fun.
Oh, not my mother, though. Do you know what she used to say to me?
No? Tell them. You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you were ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You play with your fingers before you eat it. You can chip your shell before you chew.
Play with your food, you can't feed it. So Jack, you let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the lunch. You can play with your food while you fight it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It could be anything. I will tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to tangle in the puddles, jump in the mud, take a circle back to the shallows. Then maybe it was time, there was sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. Go and slay a dragonfly, which word about memories. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you?
farm playing ball.
Duck!
Yes, correct. It's a duck.
Duck!
Yes, I know it's a ruddy duck. Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Goose shook out by a foul ball.
Uh-oh. They're coming inside. That's a good idea. You stay here and hide, and I'll try and find my way back to the duck yard. Now, was it right at the cowshed and left at the hen house? Or left at the cowshed and right at the hen house? Oh no, I think I'm lost.
So tell me, Ida, it has been a week since your son went missing. How are you bearing up?
What?
This is Jacob. He's from America's Most Favored, and he's doing a speech. Now, which is my best side?
There have been rumours of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted?
What are you saying?
Oh well.
Does anybody care what I think?
Sorry, sir. Come to the end of transmission. I'm going to leave the final word with Ida, in case her son is out there watching. But for now, this is Jaybird on America's Most Wanted, saying, if you've seen anything from thieving magpies to lost ducklings, I say, there are chicks on the switchboard. Please call, because they are waiting.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
Get away from me. Go on. All of you.
Every day seems to be more empty than the past. Everywhere someone shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed
You can't just leave me here with the other four.
Well, you'll manage, Drake. My mind is made up.
But Ida, you know it's really dangerous to go wandering off the church